Yes, sir. Regina who? A lifeguard. Charming. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, you guys know what to do. Like and subscribe. For today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys DIY Halloween costumes that you could find in your own home. Most of my costumes are from me and from my dad. So, thanks, Dad. Here in Metro Manila, you can't host or go to parties that has more than 10 people because mass gathering is not allowed yet. This is like my way of coping up, so stay and watch this video. First outfit is Mean Girls outfit. Basic pink, white, pink. Regina who? This is not actually mine. I just saw this and I was like, solid. I have a pink cardigan, spaghetti strap. This one is not actually a skirt. This one's a t-shirt pin. Yeah. Next outfit is the yawn from Clueless. This is not matching and it sucks, but this is the closest thing I can get. Plaid jacket or cardigan or any blazer and skirt, white shirt or something, red crop top or any red top that you can like go on top of the white one. Next one is I'm a lifeguard. A lifeguard. You just have this props with you and just a one piece red. I know this is not like a bright red, but it is still in the shade of red. Or you can wear this if the setting is like there's a pool and stuff, or like in a beach. If you're not going to a beach, like if the party is just in a house party or like in a bar party, you can wear shorts with this. You wouldn't walk around in the street or like in the parking lot looking like this, you know. Like this. So this is also cute. You also bring the beach vibe. Yeah. Next is... It's too dark now. It'll be better if you have a neon accessory, maybe top, bottom, or whatever, but it's a neon. So I have this neon pink on my head, one piece, and a leggings. And just like a big top that you do this. And yeah, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. This is so easy to do. Next outfit is I'm a tourist. Typical I'm a tourist vibe. Hawaiian polo, binoculars, shades. It's one of the basic outfits that you can do. I'd actually wear this. This is cute. This is my dad's shirt. It's just cute. This one really gives off the vibe. It will be better if I have a brochure of like a destination or something, but I can find one, so this is the closest thing I could get. Look how big this is. Next is Lauren Dern from Jurassic Park. All of the things that I'm wearing right now are from my dad. This top, this blue shirt, and this cargo pants. What? Oh my gosh. Hello? It's so funny, I have a deadline by 10 a.m. I forgot about it. Oh my gosh. Vlog pa more. I'm going to the forest. Oh my god, ow, my back. I'm chatting with my group mates. So anyway, this is like Lauren Dern from Jurassic Park. This is so easy to do. It'll look cuter if this is shorter. You're not replying. I'm done. Next is this one. I'm an anthropologist. Oops, sorry guys. It's my group mates. Oh, I don't think it. I'm not sure if it's my dad's or somebody else's. The plain shirt and the cargo pants of my dad again. And this one, I just saw it in the house as props. So if you're a YouTuber and you're also a student, Next outfit, it's hot. I'm the prom queen. I just wore like my old prom dress. I'm not wearing it anywhere, so might as well. I couldn't tie it up at the back because I'm alone, but you can just wear any of your prom dresses. I have a ball gown that looks more princessy and stuff, but you could wear like those that are tight fitting, that, you know, long dresses, and just wear a crown. Makes you a prom queen. Boo-cha-cha, boo-cha-cha, boo-cha-cha. It's open at the back. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me, I need to go now to meet my Prince Charming. Wait, I'm still wearing my crown. If you have nothing, as in nothing to wear, put on a onesie. Comfortable and cute. But the downside of this is that it's so hot. So like if you're going to a party and like there's a lot of people there, it's gonna be so hot. But it's cute and it has pockets, so you can put your phone and your wallet here. So you're ready. This is so fun. This is actually fun. I'm Boo. It'll be cuter if I have a shorter hair because Boo doesn't have this long hair. And if my shirt was a bit more baggy, it would be cuter. But this is all I have. This legging should be violet, but I don't have a violet leggings. So this is the closest thing I could get, which is color blue. This is so easy to do because you just need a pink t-shirt, tie your hair like this, and leggings.
Pink, pink.
Boo! Boo? I had 3 hours of sleep. Sorry. Guess what I am? This is so easy to do. You just need a long sleeves and a belt and just a black shorts. But as for me, I wore cyclings because I don't have a black shorts. And I opted to put sunglasses because in movies I see badass police have sunglasses. And I have this handcuffs and this police hat. I love this look. I saved it for the last, guys. It's cute. This is so funny because this is a legit toy. Because there's a key, but you can like open it this way. If you got locked by this, you can just open it. This is cheap. This is just 350 pesos. And this one is... I forgot. Cute, I love it. So that is it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see from me. Follow me on my socials at Shay, both on Instagram, Twitter, and on TikTok to get to know me better. And yeah, see you guys next time.